So there are returns. People buy from you as a seller on FBA, and then they have returns. What happens with these returns? So here are a few options. First option, you can tell Amazon to throw them away, right? Pretty much that's what I've been doing, to be honest, for a while. And that means that the products that get back as returns are not going to go back to stock and they're not going to get sold. The good thing about it is some returns are broken, some are damaged. Amazon can sort of check it for you and send it back to sale, but that's a bit dangerous because you don't know. Maybe it's a tool that looks normal, but it's broken because it's an electronic device and they didn't know that you have to turn it on in a specific way. So therefore, you can dispose automatically. As far as I know, these days, there might be an option to dispose of them in a liquidation mode. So Amazon will take and kind of try to sell this product for you at a really low price. I mean, actually, you will get a low price for that option, but it's better than nothing. And there are other options like shipping it to your own prep center. So you can automatically say to Amazon, ship the returns to my prep center. Prep center is like a warehouse that allows you to house your products, send them to Amazon, or you can send it to your home address if you're in the United States. I'm talking about Amazon US here. I know that in Amazon US, you cannot send returns to another country, so you have to be within the United States. But that's one other option. So basically you ship it back home, and then you have a few options what to do. You can fix these products if they're broken. That's one option. You can send the products back to Amazon if they're okay. You check them, visually everything is okay. You need to check out your cost of logistics of doing that. So how much does it cost to remove it from Amazon, to send it to you, to send it back, to fix it? Is it worth it? Maybe if it's a more expensive product, for sure. If it's like very cheap product, maybe not, but that's definitely an option. And I'll tell you another thing about returns. I had Joe Abitbo with on-site support recently. I have the interview in the description. Basically what they allow you to do is they help you to reduce the amount of returns you have by granting better customer service. I really would recommend you watching this video, and also I have the link to on-site support and a special discount in the description for you to kind of save on onboarding fees. Basically, it's not for smaller sellers, I would say, but for bigger sellers that have a lot of returns, this is going to be a great solution for you because they allow you to integrate the special button inside your Seller Central, not necessarily inside your Seller Central, inside the Buyer Central, and there's a button that says like get support from the brand or something like that. I do recommend you watching the video with Joe. And then it's a very big button. It appears on their side. It's a special feature that Amazon with on-site support gives you. And then they will have the option to talk to you, or you can build rather a funnel that allows you to give them the best support so they don't return, right? Or if instead of returning, maybe you'll send them a new product, but you won't get these returns because returns also affect your numbers on Amazon, maybe even your rank on Amazon. So with this special feature, you can lower down returns. So kind of to sum up this video, you can dispose of products. And there's a recent option that I'm still kind of checking is like, instead of disposing, like sort of dispose for a little money kind of a thing through Amazon itself, you need to set it inside Seller Central or ship it out of Amazon and to yourself or to a prep center. See if this operation is worth your money. Like, can you still make money here, or it's like at a loss for you and you just can dispose of the products? Up to you what you do with that. Maybe you can sell these products on other marketplaces from your home. You can still make money there, and returns are a significant amount of your sales. It can be a few percent per year. And the third thing we talked about is on-site support with Joe Abitbo. Link in the description. Video link is in the description. My interview about on-site support with Joe. Basically, there we showed you what it is and how it can help you. It help you reduce your amount of returns. So check it all in the description. I'm going to have also the video here with Joe for you to check. Also the link to on-site support here. There's a special coupon code. I think it's Vova 50 that would be, or something else. If it is different, I'll have it in the description for you. And I wish you a great day. Bye.